Unlock the secret sauce to crafting compelling wholesale offers that get accepted and make you serious money, all powered by Propstream. Step 1. Identifying your target. Propstream's powerful search filters are your golden ticket to finding motivated sellers. Dive into categories like foreclosures, tax delinquent properties, or even properties with high equity. The more granular your search, the hotter your leads will be and the stronger your offer foundation. Step 2. Calculating your maximum allowable offer, or MAO. This is where Propstream's data shines. Analyze the after repair value, or ARV, by looking at comparable recent sales in the immediate area. Then factor in your estimated repair costs and your desired wholesale fee. Propstream's integrated tools can help you quickly crunch these numbers to determine the absolute highest you can offer a seller and still create a juicy profit for yourself and your end buyer. Step 3. Structuring a winning offer. Once you have your MAO, it's time to craft your offer. Remember, wholesale deals are all about speed and volume. Present a clean, clear offer that includes your MAO. Highlight the benefits for the seller, such as a quick closing, no commissions, and the ability to sell the property in its current condition. You're not just buying a house, you're solving a problem for them, and your offer should reflect that. By leveraging Propstream's comprehensive data and analysis, you can confidently make strong, data-backed wholesale offers that will attract motivated sellers and position you for profitable real estate deals. Start making stronger offers today.